Are you a designer, a developer, a spreadsheet guy that spends hours on Excel, or someone who needs to attend presentations every now and then? No matter who you are and what you do, you're doing it very wrong if you're still not using Claude. You can create UI UX a lot better, build software a lot faster, and even set your PC to work even if you're not at home. Yes, you heard it right. Today, we're going to show you 5 extremely unique things that only Claude can do, which will change how you approach your daily work and make everything feel much more natural.
Starting with our first reason, Claude has introduced some incredible new ways to help us design much faster than before. Yes, Claude Design is here. It allows us to create visual layouts and prototypes through a very simple and conversational process. Instead of spending hours manually moving every small element around, we can just describe the look we're going for, and Claude will help us build it in real time. We can then refine it through conversation, saying things like, "Make the header more prominent," or "Let's try a more earthy color palette." This isn't just about speed, it's about staying in that creative flow state without being interrupted by technical hurdles. We are able to iterate so much faster, testing out 5 different versions of a concept in the time it used to take to make one. This capability is unique to the way Claude handles visual reasoning and layout, which makes it an indispensable tool for anyone who needs to visualize ideas quickly. Claude really shines as a reliable coworker that we can trust with our business projects, and that coworker is Claude Cowork. We've seen how Claude can now integrate into our enterprise environments through enterprise-focused plugins and collaborative tools. It's more than just a chatbot, it acts as a teammate that can access our specific data and help us move through complex workflows with greater ease. We can give it a task and it will work alongside us, keeping track of details and providing helpful suggestions without us having to constantly double-check everything. This reliability is key when we're dealing with professional responsibilities because it gives us the confidence to delegate certain parts of our work. Having an assistant that actually understands the context of our business makes a world of difference in our day-to-day productivity. Our third reason focuses on the technical side of things, specifically what we like to call vibe coding. With the new Claude Code desktop app, the way we build software has undergone a massive shift. What makes this truly special is the use of parallel agents. Imagine having multiple versions of Claude working on different parts of our codebase at the same time. One agent might be fixing a bug in the back end, while another is styling the front end, and a third is writing documentation. We are acting as the conductor of this digital orchestra. This parallel processing power allows us to build complex applications at a pace that was previously impossible for a single person. Additionally, the new code review features act as an extra layer of security. Claude can look over our work and suggest improvements or catch errors before they ever reach production. This creates a much more fluid and intuitive coding experience. We aren't fighting with the machine anymore, we are dancing with it, allowing our ideas to manifest into working code almost as fast as we can think them. In addition to coding, we can also use Claude to create much smarter presentations, because Claude is now available in PowerPoint. We can now upload our reference files, things like research papers, market analysis, or internal data, and Claude will automatically pull out the most important points and format them into professional-looking slides. It respects our templates, our fonts, and our color schemes, ensuring that everything looks consistent with our brand. We can even ask it targeted questions about a presentation someone else sent us. This helps us focus on the story we're trying to tell, while Claude handles the mechanical work of formatting and layout. This level of integration transforms the way we prepare for high-stakes meetings. We are no longer just making slides, we are crafting a narrative supported by data, with Claude doing all the mechanical work in the background so we can focus on our delivery. Finally, one of the most practical reasons to start using Claude is the ability to take it with us and work from literally anywhere. You can instruct Claude to do a specific task by using your computer, which is resting at home. Whether we're at our desk or on the move, Claude is designed to be accessible and ready to help on our computers. We don't have to be tied to a specific location to stay productive, because our AI assistant is always there to pick up where we left off. This flexibility is essential in today's world, where our work often happens across different environments and devices. Knowing that we have the same powerful tools at our fingertips no matter where we are gives us a sense of freedom and continuity. It means we can stay on top of our tasks and keep our projects moving forward, no matter what our daily schedule looks like. At the end of the day, Claude offers a more intuitive and helpful way to handle our work, which makes it a clear choice for anyone looking to be more productive. And all it does is that it makes our lives easier. So, to stay ahead in the AI race, start using Claude right now. Go ahead and sign up for Claude today to experience these unique tools firsthand. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.